Teeny time. Hey, now, get it, Tina.
Alright, what's up, y'all? This Tina's back with another video. Today we're finna go to Turbo Tony house, the Grom garage, to put on my stretch kit. So I'm finna load my bike up today. I'm gonna load up in my truck today. Just take everything out of my truck. But I got tools, I got all kind of little stuff I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna put you on my chest. So what I'm gonna do is put you on my chest harness and let y'all ride with me. Get back with y'all in a second. Alright, y'all, gonna put this my little ramp on the back of the truck. They're gonna move my truck right here in the middle of the yard and load them up. Get back with y'all in a second. Alright, y'all, let's put the ramp down. This been pretty easy, y'all. Pretty much attached. Do a quick little, and you just ride up on there. All right, let's get the Grom and load them on up. I hope this chest mount do justice, y'all. Might have to adjust a little bit, but this should be good though. Let's get it. Need to change these handlebars out too. I'm gonna catch Tony slipping. We're gonna put them on now. They're gonna drive right on up there. But you know what? I'm gonna walk it up there. Yeah, let me just walk it. What I do? Throw it in gear. And then just let it pull itself up. Let it ease on up there. Okay. I'm doing it wrong today, y'all. I don't know what's going on. Ease up off of it. Alright, there we go. I was gonna say, man, I know I do it all the time. It's too early in the morning today. Too early in the morning. Alright, I'm gonna get my strap this sucker down, and get back with y'all in a second. Alright, y'all, I got it all loaded up right quick. I'm gonna go lock my door, then we're gonna head to Turbo Tony house. That's how I got it back there. Alright. Go lock my door and then we'll be on the go. Get back with y'all in a second.
But yeah, man.
Alright, y'all. We done made it back to Turbo Tony house. Oh, I called your house the Grom. I called your house the Grom garage.
Grom garage.
Yeah, we over here at the Grom garage. Look here. I know if anybody can get my bike together, it's gonna be Turbo Tony.
Yeah, we gonna
Hey, he think he gotta help me with that with them handlebars, but he got nothing coming, y'all. I said I'm gonna slide it in on the day. Hey. He think he gonna go a whole week with them new handlebars, and I don't got it. Hey, he got nothing coming.
Hey, he gonna do the handlebars every week.
Hey. I'm gonna come to his job and put them on. We gonna, that's a little steep.
You got yours around here?
Yeah, I wrap it around there. Look, I'm walking down slowly. Look here, it got a little steep here. I should've, nah, I ain't gonna block it. Nah, it's good though.
I'm trying to get this one, but I'm holding the camera. But, shit, just, just hop on it and roll down.
Oh yeah. Hey, yeah. he quick. Hey, yeah, he quick on the toe too. Cause you see how he told me you hook it up. So in case something happen, he won't be responsible for it. I sure look. I sure gonna try to get his bike. Like, hey man, you did that. But nah, that should be good though.
Yeah, man.
Look, I had my little sandals on earlier.
Had your Stacey Adams on?
Yeah, my little slide.
Oh, I thought you were talking about the barbecue sandals.
Oh yeah. oh.
On the grill.
My grill masters. My grill masters 11.
Hey, that's them Stacey Adams OG style.
Yeah. Got my grill masters 11s, y'all. Bruh. It done warmed up out this thing, boy.
Huh?
It done warmed up a little bit.
Man, I love this truck.
Yeah, my little baby here, man.
Go all on the grass, yo.
Oh, my bad, bro. I get you some more.
Nah, you good.
I get you some more.
Hey. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna go dead that fast.
Boy.
I'll mess it up that fast.
That look kind of steep now.
What? Yeah.
Yeah. You say, man, to that big. Like, let me put it in.
You need my assistance.
Oh, yes, sir. Before and after.
Before and after.
All right. I might want that kickstand up, huh? I said I might want that kickstand up, huh?
Yeah.
All right. Hey, y'all, if he let me go, it's on him.
Just, you got the brake. You controlling the brake.
Yeah, I'm just coming down that time.
Yeah, come on. I got you. And we ain't gonna drop this one.
No, it's me. I'm trying to come down these little, these little thing.
Your ass don't want to put on them smooth operators.
Why stop? Oh, shit.
Your billy fan.
Damn.
Hold on a second. It's barely.
This kitchen.
Yeah.
What is kitchen? Shit.
That belly fan catching your truck. You might have to take that belly fan off.
All right, y'all. Let me get back with y'all a little bit. Whew. Y'all, he held me down. I come and get that in a second.
Yeah, you good. You don't even see nothing.
Oh, look here. I'll touch it up if it is.
Yeah, you good.
All right, y'all. We got the bike off the truck.
You going straight the road.
All right. Yes, sir.
I was watching Rick Ross concert.
Oh, you good?
I mean, not concert, but car show. Snack on.
Oh, for real? Yes, sir. Yeah, oh, yeah.
We can have my blue cup.
All right. Yes, sir. I brought my impact just in case, but
You bought your who?
my impact.
Oh, okay.
But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get it jacked up first, right quick.
Yes, sir.
See
Yeah, I
what's in my-
definitely need to invest in one of those. Or shit.
Yeah. Hey, you man, don't man. You know I ain't tripping. Hey, it's all ours.
I guess. Hey, look. I guess all bikers need one of those.
Yeah. Just slide right up on the back of it. Jack that sucker on up. This side good or you gotta?
Oh
Yeah.
yeah.
Oh yeah, we finna get right into it.
We good right there. So anyway, guys, we about to get set up here or whatever, and I'll be back with you guys shortly.
Lean the bike a little up for me, you know what I mean? Y'all, I hope we get some good footage on this chest mount, bruh. Hope y'all, let me bring it up, son. There we go. Hope that's, probably gotta change my battery in a minute.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
You vlogging right now?
Yeah, I'm finna cut out. Well, I'm finna jack this up first, then I cut out.
Right.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Like that, huh?
There she go, y'all. All right, y'all, I'm gonna get back with y'all. Let me cut this camera off and get to work. Get back with y'all in a sec. All right, y'all, look at it, sitting down on the job. But yeah, I had to take that chest mount off, y'all, because I wouldn't know if I was getting good footage or not. So, we finna put the impact on there, bust this nut loose. Oh, we gotta take that chain loose too. We gotta get that chain breaker. So we're gonna get a chain breaker real quick, y'all. Take this but this piece off. What you call a little piece that goes back to anyway?
What's that?
This right here.
Shit, I just call it a tie fairing or tie cover or whatever.
Well, we're gonna take that chain cover. Take that chain cover off so we can break the chain, and then we're gonna take the back tie off.
Chain cover.
All right, I'll get back with y'all in a second.
Tie cover.
Yeah, get back with y'all a little bit. Appreciate it. All right, yeah, we gotta take this piece off right here. I think it just slide back. Look, I'm about to test something, but I don't know what I'm doing. Gotta take this little piece off right here. So, get some grip pliers. Probably some needle. All right, I'll get back with y'all. So you figure this out. All right, y'all, here go the chain. The Pro Taper chain. Man, that sucker is greasy. They're about to slide out my hand. It's so greasy. But they got some of that Soul Glow juice on there. Got that Soul Glow now. But all right, though, yeah. Let me hook this up to the old chain. Pull it through. I hope I'm doing it right. I know y'all gonna come in down and y'all gonna roast us on this one. But like I say, we new with it, so
man,
just bear with us.
Hey, it's a learning experience, man. Like I said before, shit, it is what it is.
Yeah,
shit.
Yeah.
They gon', you know how trolls and just people gonna be. They gonna have something to say, but I find it all fun.
Me too. I love it. You know, it is what it is. What they say, sticks and stone may break a bone, but what? Words never hurt you. Remember that though. All right, we'll get back with y'all in a second. Yeah. All right, y'all, look, I got it stretched out now. Check it out. I just got to cut all this kind of. Oh shit, I got to tighten the bolt right now.
Yeah,
I just got it on. See it's gonna work. But yeah, y'all. She in now. She done. Hold on, I think the wife called. My mama called. I called her back in 1 second. But yeah. I'm gonna tighten everything down, y'all. Let me cut it off. Yeah, I'm gonna tighten everything down, but that's it. Oh yeah, she's stretched.
She's stretched, dog. She look good.
Yeah. That's it. That's it. She look good. I'm very pleased. I had to do it, man. I seen my boy. At first, I wasn't thinking about stretching it. The more and more I see it here, man, I had to do it. I'm finna do it. So it's done now. So like I told y'all, more mods coming. We got the handlebars to put on. I still got to put my other turn signal lights on. I got what else I got?
Turn signal lights, your handlebars, and
I think that's about it.
Shit,
oh, y'all, check this out.
What?
Look what I did the other day. I put that Honda logo on the bottom. I put the Honda logo on the bottom. I'm running out of stuff to do. Oh, the handlebar definitely got to come off. Oh, y'all, look here. Look what he done did to his, y'all. Check him out.
Call me Captain America.
Captain America gonna put his Pro Taper handlebars on. Oh, I gotta order some more mirrors like yours.
Oh, okay.
Because my Pro Taper grips.
Oh yeah.
They closed off.
Yeah. Hey man, eBay.
Yeah.
eBay, get the mirrors like I got.
Yeah,
eBay special.
You sent it to me 100 times, I still ain't bought them yet. But I'm gonna go get them today. I'm gonna order them today, y'all. Hopefully. I'm gonna order them today. Hopefully I remember to do it when I get home. But we're gonna wrap this on up. We sweating out here, man.
Oh yeah.
You know what I'm saying? We ain't been out here never about 10 minutes, but we still sweating. Nah, it took us a little minute, man. A little trial and error.
I'm telling you, I don't think it was that long though.
I mean, it wasn't like long. We went and got something to eat and everything. So,
right.
Yeah. It wasn't that long. But let me tighten everything down. Get back with y'all on another video. Tina's out.